In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for data analysis. Whether you're an experienced data analyst or just starting out, Claude AI can simplify your analysis tasks and help you derive meaningful insights from your data with ease. Let's dive straight into the process, step by step. To begin, we need to prepare your data. This is a crucial first step because well-organized data makes the analysis work more precise and effective. Ensure that your data is stored in either an Excel file, with the .xlsx extension, or a CSV file, which uses the .csv format. Pay close attention to your column names. They should be clear and descriptive so that they make sense at a glance. Also, ensure that each row represents a single record to maintain consistency. When dealing with dates, use a consistent format throughout the file to avoid any confusion during analysis. Finally, clean up your spreadsheet by removing any unnecessary blank rows or columns to streamline it. Remember, when you upload your data to Claude, it should not exceed 30 megabytes in size per file. Next, it's time to upload your file to Claude. If you haven't done so already, open Claude and start a new conversation. Once you're in, you'll notice a plus button situated near the message box. Click on this button. A few options will appear, from which you'll select Add Files or Photos. Now simply upload your prepared Excel or CSV file into Claude. Now let's get to the heart of the process, asking Claude to analyze your data. Instead of giving a broad command like analyze this data, it's a good idea to instruct Claude with precise tasks. For instance, let's say we're dealing with a sales data set. You might ask Claude to check for missing values and duplicates. You can request it to calculate the total sales as well as the average sales. If you're interested in product performance, ask Claude to identify the top 10 products and also to pinpoint the best performing month. Regional data comparisons can be important too, so have Claude compare sales by region. Don't forget to ask for a lookout for unusual or suspicious values that might need further investigation. Additionally, Claude can also create charts that highlight the most important trends, offering a visual representation of your data's story. Finally, it's essential to ask Claude to explain its findings in simple language. Clarity is key, so request a concise explanation of the calculations and assumptions used during the analysis, as well as any uncertainties that might exist in the data. And there you have it. With these steps, you've equipped yourself to harness the power of Claude AI for data analysis, making your task not only manageable, but also efficient and insightful. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy analyzing!